Hello, good day everyone. So welcome back to my channel. And again, this is Jobin, yours truly. So to those who are new to my channel discusses a lot of things and I've discussed a lot of e-learning videos. So I hope you liked it and I hope you will follow, like, share, and subscribe. Actually, I have 90% of my viewers are not my subscribers. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to help my channel grow more and as we go along with this process. So thank you so much for that. So now I'll be discussing another video lessons and this is a continued discussion on the subject of the life and works of Rizal. So we are done discussing with the Noli Me Tangere. So now I'll be discussing more of the second novel, the El Filibusterismo. So I hope you will stay tuned and I hope you will stick to me until the end of this learning videos. So again, one of the second novel of Jose Rizal is the El Filibusterismo. So I know you are all aware of this second novel. So El Filibusterismo is also known as the revenge or the subversive. And this is the second novel written by Dr. Jose Rizal, and it is a sequel to the Noli Me Tangere published in 1891. So this is tracing the life of a protagonist, Crisostomo Ibarra. So now he assumed the name of Simeon as he turned from a reformed minded romantic to a vengeful revolutionary. So here are the characters of the story of El Filibusterismo. So number one, we have Crisostomo Ibarra, who assumed the name of Simeon. So he portrayed this disillusion by the abuses of the Spanish friars and the tragic death of his beloved Maria Clara. So he returned to the Philippines as a wealthy and powerful Simeon to incite a revolutionary against the Spanish regime and the tragic death of his beloved Maria Clara. So number two character is Basilio. So Basilio is a medical student who becomes involved in Simeon's revolutionary plans. So his life is marked by tragedy, having lost his family due to the social injustices perpetrated by the friars and the colonial government. So number three character in the novel of El Filibusterismo is Padre Florentino. So Padre Florentino is Isagani's godfather and a secular priest who harbors Simeon when the latter's revolutionary plot fails. So he symbolizes the voices of reason and wisdom in the novel. So the fourth is Isagani. So Isagani is a poet and a Basilius' best friend who is in love with Paulita Gomez. So he represents the idealism of the youth. So the fifth character is Paulita Gomez. So Paulita Gomez is the woman Isagani loves. So Isagani is a poet and a Basilius' best friend. She leaves Isagani to marry the wealthy Juanito Pilais. So here are the five characters in the novel of the novel of El Filibusterismo. So here are the themes of El Filibusterismo. So here are the themes of the novel El Filibusterismo. Number one is revenge and revolution. So the novel evolves around Simeon's plot to incite a revolution against the Spanish regime as a means of revenge for the wrong done to him and his beloved. So in the story, in the novel, Simeon or Crisostomo Ibarra lost his beloved Maria Clara. So the second is corruption and abuse of power. So Rizal also delves into the corruption and abuse of power by the Spanish friars and corruption and the colonial government, illustrating the social decay under Spanish rule. Aside from the corruption, the third theme is education and enlightenment. So the importance of education and knowledge as a tools for societal change are underscored throughout the novel. So again, Dr. Rizal loves and value education. So one of the themes in the novel of El Filibusterismo is education and enlightenment. So number four is love and sacrifice. So there is a love story in the novel. So this is the personal relationships of the characters, notably those of Simeon, Isagani, and Paulita Gomez, reflect the themes of love and sacrifice. So Paulita Gomez married a wealthy man. So she leaves Isagani. Isagani is in love with Paulita Gomez. But sadly, Paulita Gomez married a wealthy man. So El Filibusterismo is a more dark and cynical work compared to No Limit Tangere.